Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Craves. Today we are going to make a savory cake with no flour and plenty of beef. This is a great choice for a dinner party and even as a snack. Before getting into the video, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Take 250 grams of beef. Cook it in a pressure cooker till it's very tender. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Pour 1 cup more than the required amount of water as we will need the beef stock later. I have taken 3 cups of water. You may take more or less depending on your pressure cooker. Once the beef is well cooked, strain the stock and take the beef separately. Then shred the beef either by your hands or by a grinder. Then heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pan. You may use butter or oil too. Then add 1 large onion, 1 large capsicum, and 1 large tomato finely chopped. A few curry leaves and a crushed cardamom and saute well. Then add half a teaspoon of salt. Next add in the shredded beef and mix well. The complete list of ingredients is given at the end of the video. Now add in the spices. 3/4 tablespoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, and half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix them all. Now add 1 cup of the beef stock and 1 cup of milk. Turn off the flame after a few seconds. At this point you can check and add more salt if needed. Now add 1 cup of semolina by sprinkling little by little. Mix well after each addition to avoid forming lumps. At this point, preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Grease a tray with ghee or oil. Pour the mixture onto the tray and spread evenly. Pat gently. Take 3 large eggs. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and beat for a minute. Pour this over the prepared batter. Tilt the tray and let the egg mixture spread all over it. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of pepper. Place some sliced capsicums over it. Then some sliced tomatoes. Now bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. Let it cool down and garnish with mint leaves. Do try this recipe and tell how it turned out. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Do check out our other recipes.